Okay, this is question 25. Nisha's score in chemistry this semester were rather inconsistent. She got 100, 85, 55, 95, 75, 100. For this population, again, it's population, not samples. That's going to be key. How many scores are within one standard deviation of the mean? Well, the first thing I have to do is figure out what the mean is. All I've done is I've taken her scores and put them in this column. So the way you find out the average or the mean, I start typing in average. I'm just going to click on this one, and I'm just going to click and drag. So my average score is 85. Now I want to figure out the standard deviation. So I'm just going to start doing standard dev. And again, it's population. P stands for population. That's critical. S stands for sample. And S has what's called a abyssal correction. The population doesn't have that. So since we got the population, right, I'm just going to punch in this number again. I come up with the standard deviation of 16. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to do above the average, one standard deviation, and then I'm going to come in and do below the standard deviation, or below the mean by one standard deviation. I get 68. So I'm looking, how many do I have between 68 and 101? Well, let's go here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5. 55 lies without outside the one standard deviation. So hopefully 5 is one of the answers. So we had to figure out the mean, figure out the standard deviation, add the standard deviation to the mean, subtract the standard deviation from the mean, and I got a range of numbers I'm looking for. Count up all in between those two numbers. I got 5.